Are you learning HTML? Today, you'll master how to create lists using just a few simple tags. An ordered list is used when the order of items matters, like a list of subjects or steps. You create one using the all tag. Use all for numbered lists. Each item inside the list uses the lie tag, which stands for list item. This will display a numbered list on your web page, like this. Now let's look at an unordered list. This is used when the order doesn't matter. Here, we use ol for the list and lie for the items. This will show bullet points instead of numbers. Simple, right? If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more web development tutorials.